Okay, so in this video, this will be part 2 of part 3 of making an OS in Roblox 2. And here we're going to be adding some libraries and also a UI. So here, we just started doing. Then we're going to add a frame, which will be the screen. Gonna get canvas draw real quick because I want to be more optimized. So canvas draw. No, not canvas draw. Canvas draw. See here? It won't be directly accessed there. And apparently it says it runs in native code, filed into machine code. That's with fast canvas and string compressor, but not image data constructor and text characters, since that's just returning from vector functions. Well, that's interesting. Here. There isn't 3D. Ooh, ground stored in it. That's interesting. Alright. So. I want to go to auto render. False. So that'll make it a bit less laggy. And I'll only need to update when it's drawing. Actually, I might just change the FPS limit to 24 FPS. Right, so just right. So folder, system, and then another one named graphics. So that's system.graphics. So I can just stop pulling up my Visual Studio. Right. System.graphics. So now I want to go to text render. This will render some text to the canvas. I'm thinking I might change this to a 120, no, 0512, 0512, but I'm only going to be having a 128 by 128 canvas. Then another module named canvas. So here we'll call cd equal script.parent.canvas draw, and I need to put this into a require script. Right. And then module dot create equals function with height and then cd dot new script.parent.parent.parent.bring vector2.new with height cover 3 dot new 0 0 0 false. I think that's it. Yep. So I don't want it to blur. this is just to handle the canvas creation. Here. Function module dot draw text, and then get this heavy now. Look up text, look up. Alright, so thinking I might just not use canvas draw right now. Then I'm gonna move canvas. Then gonna have a text label. Character. So this will be 8 characters. When I set this to press 32p. So make it more pixelated. Actually, maybe 16 characters. So that's funny. So this can fit 16 characters. 3.26 to 5. And now I need to change this scaling. But the way that this font makes it a little weird. So I need to make it a little harder. So I need to make it more like this. Then I want UI, list layout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Funny when I just put it in here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, thinking I'm only gonna have 12 text, and there's 16 different words of text. We'll have a variable amount per row. So then 13. No. 14. Then the 15th one. And finally the 16th one. Actually, maybe I'll just have 12. Maybe to make it simpler, I can have just 8. But I need to change this. Then I need to make this transparent and white. Anyway, I just decided to put all A on this board. But I also want to be aligned to the left. Text Alright, so now your hands on putting text in here, so we need to somehow shift all the text. So look, text is equal to a new table of 8 strings for every line of text that can do. Then module dot draw text and all that. So text string now table dot this is a table shifting function. So text 8 is equal to, and that is equal, that's text 8 equal to text. But if text 8 is not equal to a blank string, then text 8, no, text 7 equals text 8, so on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This will just repeat it infinitely. Once we do it like this, text 1 is equal to that should shift it. Then is texts do. I'll call I2 equals I and 8 minus I. Actually, let's get that at 1. And then text I2 equals script dot parent dot ring I2 equals, I'll set to be this way, hold on. Set to that text, alright. But we need to draw text. Draw text, but first we need to import it. So we'll call text equals client script dot parent dot system dot graphics dot text render text dot draw text. And then what we'll do is we'll take right. I'm just start with that. So draw text. Hello. Or will it just error? I only have one no op. Alright, so it failed. I have text render, text render line 25. Valid argument number 2. Text, I think it's text dot number. Oh wait. That's a two-string. I have to convert to a string since Roblox wouldn't do it automatically. And that's a different error. It is not a no. It's because I forgot to do dot text. Equals V. That's why. Right. Note saying with text. And you can see it saying hello. That's too little. I want to see if it's even. I can practice it. I'll just draw text high. And it is actually shifting. So that means it works. Then I'm going to have a no up here. So now you have a program that'll print over to the Roblox console. It'll beep and then it'll write a 1 to 214 in memory. And then it'll draw the text hello, and then it'll do a no op, and then it'll draw the text hi, and then it'll keep looping through that. So now let's explore the text. Now I want to change this to write data. And then here I'll take byte data. But here, I need another parameter. So here, params 2 equals split 3. And now convert data into a string of, into a table of bits. So now I printed to number 01101001. But of course, if we move that 0, but we could add a dot. But then if I had 2 dots, it just wouldn't work. So now, we'll call split equals string dot split data, then nothing as a separator. We'll call num equals to number split table dot insert. We'll call data equals a new table. Dot insert data underscore. Then I'll put data. Actually, I'll put num to here. And then RAM byte equals data underscore. So if I ran that, so here I have this to initialize the RAM. Then we'll call data 010101. There's an error right here. Table index is nil. Line 8. Never came across this error. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll need to copy this into a script. Right, so here, RAM byte equals D. Oh, I forgot to put local byte equals 19. And here I can print RAM 19. That's just a table though. So it just got blank in there. Print split. So here you can see there. Oh, 2 number. Wait, I need a loop through there. So machine M. Then for I the in pairs split do M. Local byte equals 18. Local data equals 1. And then that's the letter I in binary, lowercase. RAM 18. It's still nothing. Because I forgot to do 2 number V and not 2 number split. Now you can see there's a data. Alright, so now I want to read byte RAM, then byte, and then here. So this I can just do byte. So write data, RAM, then read byte RAM. And here it takes the byte. So here the byte I want to write to is 19. Then the values are 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then I want to read from byte 19. So instead of writing and reading 1 bit at a time, it's 1 byte. No, that's just doing my debugging. Here you can see it's actually writing that data. It does fill the memory quite quickly though. Looking to get this memory. Where's over this just like core memory? Increasing. So it does work. So now an overview of what we did. So we put a canvas on the screen. So this is the canvas for text. And then we added some functions, some operations. We added an operation to draw to draw text, and we've changed the write bit and read bit to now write byte and read a byte. So now we can easily read and write through the 256 bytes of RAM. So now that'll make it easier. Alright, so this is getting the end of the video. Hope you enjoy this video, and bye.